to the how-to channel. Are you ever tired of buying new pair of pool filters every month? Or maybe you even have to buy a new one once a week just to see that after a couple of days in that pool pump they are already green and dirty like this one right here. Years later, I think I have found a perfect procedure for cleaning up these dirty filters, and it's actually not that complicated. I'm gonna show you. Now the first step is to remove all of that hard debris on your filter by putting it under hard water pressure. Alright, nice. I think you can see all of this that is coming out from my filter. I recommend using this house water pressure because if you use your car wash water pump or any other type of wash pump, you can damage your filter pretty easily. It took us around 10 minutes to clean all of these filters, but as you can see, the third one we didn't manage to clean as good as these ones because I took out this one from pool pump a couple of weeks ago, and these algae, yeah, they had enough time to eat up into this filter. But that is not important, we will get that fixed. On to the step number 2, the most important one. Place these filters in a large cooking pot like this one right here. Secret ingredient is a laundry or a washing detergent. Put a very fine amount of washing detergent in there. Make sure you have it on filters also all around. And cover everything with a hot water. But you need to be very careful with this gas temperature, because if you make it too hot, all of this detergent right here will start bubbling up and you will have a big mess in your kitchen and your wife will kill you. So be careful. You can mix it occasionally, just turn them around easily to make sure that everything is cooked pretty nicely. After this cooking is done, I left it in there for around 2 hours. The third and final step is to clean these filters under a good water pressure. Now this whole procedure took us around 2.5 hours, but as you can see, these filters are looking much better now, and this is much better solution than buying brand new ones. Over the years of my experience with pool filters, I have found that this is the most effective way to clean your filters. If you have found any other effective way, please share it in the comment section so we can give it a try. And if you have found any value in this video, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys for that, and I will see you in the next one.